Alright, so this is the Typecase Poppit purse. It is a purse that's made out of Poppit toys. Kids will definitely love this. Girls will love it too. Women and boys maybe. So as you can tell, it's got the Poppit function here on the purse. You've got some eyelids here. It does come with a little unicorn Poppit that's tied on. And then you've even got some grip here along the bottom. You could put all of your Poppit toys down in here, carry them outside, or whatever you truly want to put in it. Now this is easy to clean. It is waterproof, and it's pretty thick, like it's not gonna pull apart too easy. And these are solid. These aren't Poppits. The eyes aren't. There's eyes on both sides, but definitely feels like good quality. And I think for your Poppit fan to have a purse made out of Poppits is they're just gonna absolutely love it. I'm gonna give this to my daughter. Special thanks to Typecase for sending it to me. I know she's gonna flip out and love this.